Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving deep into something crucial. How to protect your income in 2025. With inflation, job instability, AI disrupting industries, and rising living costs, one thing is clear: earning is not enough anymore. You must protect your income. In this video, I'll be sharing 5 proven, practical, and forward-looking ways to not only guard your income, but to help you grow and stabilize it even during uncertain times. Let's jump right into it. You've probably heard this before, but let me break it down practically for 2025. Relying on one stream of income, like a single job or one business, is risky. In today's economy, you need at least 2 to 3 streams. If you're employed, start a side hustle. In 2025, AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Copy.ai can help you start freelancing, content creation, or consulting services from your laptop or phone. If you run a business, create additional services or products. Add an affiliate income stream. Monetize your knowledge through ebooks or courses. If you're a student or unemployed, start with skill monetization, such as video editing, graphic design, tutoring, social media management, or dropshipping. Diversification doesn't mean you need 5 businesses. It means if one stream slows down, others keep you afloat. For example, someone who works in marketing may also run a small clothing business online and invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts. 3 streams, 1 active, 2 semi-passive. In 2025, automation tools make managing multiple streams easier. You can schedule posts, automate emails, and even use AI to generate content or track sales. One major threat to your income is sudden expenses: medical bills, job loss, business breakdown, etc. Having an emergency fund is like installing airbags in your financial life. Here's how to do it. Save 3 to 6 months' worth of your basic living expenses. Keep it in a liquid and secure account, such as a mobile money wallet, savings account, or even a fixed deposit with quick access. Don't touch it unless it's an emergency. Not a concert, not Black Friday, not a new phone. In 2025, cost of living in many places is still unpredictable. Having $10,000 to $20,000 saved can be the difference between survival and breakdown. If saving sounds hard, try the 30-day savings challenge. Save $20 a day. By end of the month, you have $600. Small, consistent efforts build big shields. The emergency fund doesn't make you rich. It protects your income from being swallowed by unexpected events. We often think of insurance as a luxury, but in 2025, smart people use it as a defense tool. Think about this. If your car gets damaged, your phone gets stolen, or you face hospitalization, who pays? If it's you, then you are risking your income. Consider these types of insurance. Health insurance. Medical costs are rising. One emergency can wipe your savings. Income protection insurance. This covers part of your salary if you're unable to work. Business insurance. Protect your inventory, premises, or operations from damage, theft, or lawsuits. Life insurance, especially if you have a family depending on your income. The goal is to transfer financial risk to an insurance provider, so your income doesn't get drained suddenly. Get quotes, compare policies, and pick what suits your income level. In Zambia and other African nations, there are now micro-insurance options that are budget-friendly. Your income in 2025 depends on your value, and your value depends on your skills. You can protect your income by upgrading yourself constantly. This means learning high-demand digital skills like AI prompt engineering, digital marketing, coding, and video editing. Mastering money skills like budgeting, negotiation, and business management. Improving communication and leadership skills. These always remain valuable regardless of technology changes. Why is this important? Because when economies crash, People with high-value skills still earn. Even if you lose a job, you can freelance or consult. Invest in online courses, YouTube learning, books, coaching. However you learn best. Use your time wisely. Think of your skill set as your real insurance. No one can take it away, and it will always help you bounce back. Instead of just saving money, invest in increasing the earning power behind the money. In 2025, smart earners are not only thinking income, they're thinking protection. That means legal and financial setups that keep your money secure. Separate personal and business finances. If you're running a business, open a separate account. This protects you from liabilities and helps with tracking. Use contracts always. Whether you're freelancing, renting a house, or hiring staff, always use contracts. It protects you from income loss and disputes. Set up a will or estate plan. You don't need to be a millionaire. If you have property, land, accounts, protect it legally. Understand taxes. Don't wait for the government to catch up. Know how much you owe and keep records. Avoid penalties. A lot of income is lost through bad documentation, misunderstandings, and poor planning. Don't let that be you in 2025. Even if you earn well, if you're not protected legally and financially, it's like filling a leaking bucket. Let's recap. To protect your income in 2025, diversify your income streams. Build a solid emergency fund. Insure yourself wisely. Invest in your skills continuously. Use legal and financial protection tools. These 5 strategies will not only protect your income, they'll give you peace of mind, long-term growth, and financial power. Let me know in the comments, which of these 5 are you working on right now? Or which one are you starting today? If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone you care about. Until next time, protect your hustle, grow your value, and build your legacy.